Citrus Carpet Cleaning, Suwanee, Georgia. It's Friday afternoon. Just finished up our last job. It's about 4:40. It was a $240 job. We had 3 bedrooms, office, sitting area, and we used defoamer and deodorizer because it's a move-in situation. I didn't do a before video because this appears to be brand new carpet, but they're moving in, so they just wanted to freshen it up. I think I just saw one spot. Here's the master closet, master sitting area. So there's three bedrooms on this second floor here. The master and then 2 secondary rooms. And then there's an upstairs loft area. Like I said, there wasn't much to see, so we just wanted to shoot a quick after video. Again, it's JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning, 770-652-0630, on the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. As we said before, we can put you in the business too.